Baby, you know my mind is far. Me, I know be on it.
Reggae dancehall, king of Afro dancehall, Stonebwoy himself. I'm going live with him. Yes, Stonebwoy just invited me to join the live. And here we are.
Go on, Empress.
Oh my God, no, I'm not hearing Stonebwoy as I ought to hear him. No, I'm hearing
Go on, Empress.
Yes, Emperor, I'm there, you know, wait, Phil. But I'm not seeing your king.
All right now?
I'm hoping everything is all right.
Hold on. Set it up.
Okay, the king of Afro dancehall. All right. And we're in the game once more. Stonebwoy himself, Ramona Samuels, live in Kingston, Jamaica. Stonebwoy, where are you?
Right now, I just got to Ghana this morning, you know.
Nice. Safe trip home and everything. So I know you were doing lots of promotional runs.
And all the while, me up on the plane, me know say me have a thing for catch with the eye, you know.
Yeah. But I'm glad to the eye make it once and for all. Peace and love to the world.
Hold on, Miss. Yeah, no. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you, Stonebwoy.
Yeah, man, I say all the time me up on the flight, me know say me have a thing for catch with you know. So yeah. But there time up a thing, man, me know I lose it again.
Neither me. I'm so happy that you're here. Now, Stonebwoy, as you saw in our last video, you know I'm super excited about your new album that's about to be released September 24th, titled Up and Running. You have quite a few collaborators on it. You have Nigerians on it. My favorite, I'm biased, Jamaicans are on it. But I want you to tell me everything that you want the fans and BIM Nation and Jamaica, everybody to know about the big album we're forward September 24th.
You see the album that we're forward on September 24th now? It's an album where bad and big, you know. It's an album where comfy, furthermore, show the world what I go on from Stonebwoy. Because I know it's a long time that I represent for reggae and dancehall and Afrobeats and music of Black Caribbean, you know. You see, music of Black Caribbean, that I represent for, so. All right, let me switch it up.
Okay, do your thing, you know, you're versatile and talented.
You know the thing. So the album that's gonna come on 24th October is a big one. It's called Up and Running. You know it go.
Oh yes, 24th of October.
Yeah, man.
October, yes.
This month.
I think I said September. Yes, can't wait.
I know my thing, man. I know my thing. That's why I'm there to correct the people. You see me? I know say you have a whole heap of things on your mind, and you know, it's not me alone thing you keep up in your mind. You keep a whole heap of data, a whole heap of artist interview. I know it now. I know it, you know. So that's why I'm there for correct. So it's on the 24th of October. I got Spice on the album on a track called Jiggle and Wine. That time they go wicked up the whole dance. You see me? It's like a mud up carnival.
Yeah.
From Trinidad to
Asia, to Jamaica, to London, to everywhere.
Yes, yeah, to Jamaica, yeah, man. That's something that represent for the whole of, you know, the parties, them, the carnivals, them globally. So, you know, Spice, she comes with a Spice, of course, and then Stonebwoy representing the multiplicity and sending it far across out of Africa, you know. So it's gonna be a beautiful one. And I got a song with H3ro, who's from Curacao, on a very nostalgic, you know, lovers. We got some R&B vibes, you know?
Yes.
And it's called Memory. You know, so I want people to look out, and I've got another song with, what you calling? I got a song with Ching, one of my favorite guys from out of Jamaica. Got a song with Kaylan. They're on the same song. I'm H3ro.
Yes, Geography. Geography.
So, you know, you have to send me a geography. I'm going to find you. See?
Yeah. Because listen, Stonebwoy, as I was saying when we spoke on Wednesday, that I am just so excited as a Jamaican woman, a Jamaican journalist, a purveyor of music, a music lover. I was excited to hear the collaborations from Jamaica. You mentioned Spice, you mentioned Ching, there's H3ro, and there is also Jahmiel.
Jahmiel and Tentic and LaRusso, they on one song when you're Overlord.
Yes, and that one, Overlord, is that a remix? Because that song is out. It was an initial song.
All right. No, it's coming out as another original version. So it's not a remix. It's a next version, this, you know.
Okay.
And that have the better than planet. It have LaRusso, Tentic, and Jahmiel, and you know man, them the funny thing, man, a mad thing, man. So I want the world to go look out for that.
Yeah,
it's coming.
But which one? Because I know that I don't know if I'm saying it right. Is it J or J?
Perfect. You got it.
I know
J,
that's
you got it.
That's the big song out now, making waves. I see the skits, I see the dance challenges. But which song is going to be the next single release? Just before the album or?
Just before the album, I just want to keep it. I want to keep it on the low. Trust me, because right now, the way H3ro mash up the world, you know, it'll give it natural vibes where we know it's alright. We have to low it for a while. You understand? We have to low it for a while down. It is settle down on the grounds well and proper.
Yeah.
And of course, the album is coming anyway, so everybody's gonna get the full. They're gonna get the fullness. So let's enjoy H3ro and anticipate, you know, the fullness of the album. But look out for something big, you know, leading the album.
Definitely, and we are looking forward to that. And I want to big up BIM Nation and One God Nation and the fans, them and the lovers. They've been hugely supportive of the previous live that we did, regardless of getting disconnected. And I love them. See, they're saying the GOAT, the president, BIM Nation, BIM King, King of Afro dancehall, Africa's King of Reggae dancehall. It's all here. The comments are coming in, and I just want to say hail up to them. And I also want to mention again Stonebwoy. You see, the album they sound, or you start off the thing with Psalms 23, where they make a upsy and nearly bust that one there too quick. Man. But you see, through the excitement of all the song hard, and it's a blessing. Yeah.
Oh, John, never leave, I know. When you listen me not done,
yeah.
I'm here to tell them to look at me thing now. None of them see clearly it a busty word. None of them can take my fire. I yet alone them I bring to me table, Now for them I hypocrite and vampire. Just to me I speed up them on the bus tire. Them see me I take over the entire. If me retire, who I go bonfire. No matter where them hate we fire. None of them could have wiped out Rasta name. You know the ghetto we are chanting Psalm 23, then we touch a road. Oh, no, and then we touch a road. Psalm 23, then we touch a road.
BIM Nation. BIM God. So listen up. So you started the album real clean with that blessing, Psalm 23, and then the close with Pray For Me with Wyclef. Was that purposeful? Opening and closing, spiritual. Yeah.
Which is right, because everything I do, I consider that aspect of life, which is basically what makes music. Remember, say music is word, sounds, and power.
Definitely.
Nobody can touch the word. You can't touch it. It's intangible, you know. You can't touch it. So them thing that run the thing, you know. It's not the physical form, you see me. So I always pay respect to, you know, that part of the existence. So you start with a very inspirational, prayerful kind of tune, and you end up with a next one where you know say it's revolutionary. It's giving encouragement and you know 2 and 2, is it?
Definitely. Now tell me about the producers of the tracks and where you voiced each song and things like that.
I voiced the songs. I dealt with a lot of different producers. I got Sam Snare on the first one, the Ghanaian young brother. I've got Gintan on the H3ro, you know, from Netherlands. And then Mixmaster Ghazi also worked as a co-producer. on the JJ and also the whole mixing and mastering situation is Miss Master Gazi and with Senegal London with us do the rest of the thing them. So producer wise, I got 2 names already mentioned. I got Street Beats on Overlord. Enough, you know what I mean?
Yes.
I got Gazi again on the one with Spice. I got TK Kayembe from LA on Geography. What else again? I got
TK Kayembe. Did he also do some vocals? If or no? Yes, no?
Can't catch it, but I know I didn't produce the song, you know. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
But as far as I'm concerned, it's 4 artists on a track, you know. And I didn't produce it. I don't know about
yeah. We know that
really can't really tell.
All right. No problem with that.
We have producers, good, great producers on the album, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait for the world to hear this.
When the album drops, Stonebwoy, I know that Bim Nation, Afro dancehall fans, Afrobeat fans, and R&B fans are going to be reggae fans, going to be very attuned to the entire presentation. So it's 13 tracks, 13 tracks, and 5 of them you did alone. 5 songs, if I'm calculating correctly, you did alone, and just an impressive musical body, a good compilation. I hear the genre bending, and that is what I love and appreciate about you, and that what we have done with music and what you and your team continue to do with the genres, the high life, which I've learned about and all of that. And I'm a piano that I'm falling in love with, and everything just fused together gives you that rich.
You see that song that when you shine?
Yeah, oh God.
You heard it, right? A wicked song, man. A bad song, you know.
You touch me, man. I feel very inspired by that song, and I get emotional. So as I said, but just wait for the rest of the world, tap into the big drop and the big release. And Bim Nation, they know what to do. Stream, purchase, share for the big album, Up and Running. Coming when again?
On the 24th of October, you know.
Yeah.
Up and Running, it's on the 24th of October. Because I know that I talk to the yard man, I talk to the yard people, and I say, yeah. Now, if you give them,
but you, everybody is here, because Dubai there too, you know. Dubai is here.
No, international business, you know.
A big something, man. A big something, man. TikTok on the platform, just give it that.
Which is right. An international thing. That's why I rate your platform, you know, because I know to the world when I listen to the eye. I love the passion where you're putting at the thing when you do it, you see.
God bless.
We'll find a couple interviewers or host them where, you know what I'm saying? It's not as deep in terms of passion. You have it, you know? And that inspires me.
Man. We're here for the people and we're here for the music. Now, what is that one thing, Stonebwoy, that you want Jamaicans to know, Bim Nations to know, Bim Nation family and them, the world to know about this album and what you want them to receive as the god of the thing and the president of the thing?
Yeah, man, what I want them to receive is a musical message of inspiration and love, you know? And vibes that can vibrate your life, basically, you know? Like when you take it from one track to the other, it's a lion tail. It's not a cocktail, you know, it's a lion tail of music of black origin, you see what I'm saying? So that is what I want to serve my people. And in view of that, it tells you that I want to bring, you know, I want to continue to bring us together as a people with one sound and root and culture rooted right here in Africa, you know, with the sound that I make. So that is it. You know what I mean? I want the people to walk away with some niceness and energy from when they hear the album or when they stream it. You know what I mean? Right from track 1 to track 13.
Definitely so, because that's what I felt from the first track, second, third, go straight to 13. And I listened it, and then I pull it up, I'm listening again, and that's the type of body of work that we love when the them do, the artists them do, and the musician and the good producers. So your album Up and Running has it. So no worries, right? No stress. just up and running Stonebwoy Bim Nation music to the world.
May I tell you that, man, up in the galaxy with there, you know, beyond the universe, you know.
Yeah.
And that's the music I take the people, you know, so that's how we there.
Definitely. And I want to tell you about another friend that I have from Ghana who does music. I think you know him, Frank Nara. He's one of your bridging them and your brothers. Yeah? So no,
yeah, man, I go there.
Yeah. So I'm collecting my friends from Ghana. So I have Bim Nation, I have Stonebwoy, I have Frank Nara. How does that keep that connection, right? Same way.
No problem, you have the president, you know, say nothing again, not say a word. Not
So
say
talk
one
to me
thing.
when you forward a yard. When you forward a yard, because yard are waiting again.
When you are forward a Ghana, when you are forward a Ghana, because a couple times I forward a Jamaica and
Okay.
you know what I'm saying?
So if we go get the higher Ghana.
January now, but next month me if we reach a Jamaica for that mama yeah. She'll keep up her thing on the 3rd of November. Masha Griffiths. You know, my mama.
Oh yes.
You know?
Definitely.
Keep up her thing. You know, the whole garden inside.
Yes, oh my God, Hope Gardens, yes. They had the media launched, I think last week, Wednesday.
No,
yeah,
so
I was supposed to be there.
Thing, you know.
Yeah, I didn't make it to the media launch. But yeah,
man.
we're supposed to be there. So we're looking forward to that and the album drop. All right, Stonebwoy.
So if I do come to Jamaica, then I must that me come for. Which is on the 3rd of November, she's saying. So she and I are reasoning it out and I try circle my thing them around that time there so I can make it to Jamaica them time. So,
yeah, man. Marcia Griffiths, the queen of all reggae. All right.
Absolutely. One mother that, you know, one queen that you need. Yeah, man, queen of reggae.
Oh my God, this is so much fun. Thank you so much, Stonebwoy. You don't know? Blessings every time.
Everybody, every time. I want to use this opportunity to big up my Jamaican brethren and sister them on the album same way. And I say we go Spice, go down to Tentic, you know. We don't forget about Jahmiel, we don't forget about Ching. You know what I'm saying? K-Land, H3ro. You know, it's a one family, you know. That's my thing there, you know. So
yeah,
we go stream up that one, yeah.
H3ro and you. H3ro and you just dropped another song. You're on one of them.
A remix, the celebration. The man give me a bar on the thing, man. He give me some bars on the song. I'm bring it out, you see. Yeah, man.
Definitely.
So we're go check out that one there too. We're go check out that one. And then now, Diane also. Diane put me on a remix too. So I show you, yeah, man, of one wicked song too. So we're go check the song them out, you know. It's Ghana, Jamaica, it's one place, it's one heart and one love, you know, as Bob Marley did say. All of we are going to do one music as a one culture, grow the whole of we, you know, the black generation are there. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to talk long. So I want to support the thing and make it go on. Up in the sky with a me say up and running.
Yeah. See? All right, Stonebwoy from Ghana to Jamaica to Ghana, representing every time. For one love, Bim Nation, Bim President, Ramona Samuels, Stonebwoy, Ramona Samuels live.
Manners and respect.
Thank you, Stonebwoy, every time. All right, walk good. Yeah, yeah. Bim Nation.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. Oh my God, that was so exciting. I love you guys so much. Bim Nation, thank you so much. Jamaica, one love. All my yardies, all my people representing. Remember to subscribe to Ramona Samuels TV, guys. Subscribe to Ramona Samuels TV on YouTube. You don't know, show me that love there. Show me that.